What's up, everybody? We're back on the truck rebuild. It's been about 7 days, actually a little over. We are currently sitting at $206. We have done a little picking and a little tweaking to Miss Betsy in these 7 days. We went to this estate sale and we did a little purchasing for the rebuild and some outside of the rebuild. We're hoping to add another video showing you guys some of the purchases that we made outside of the rebuild. This estate sale was awesome. There was just a massive amount of stuff. It was a 3-story sale. We could have stayed here for a week going through everything. It was awesome. We've added some photos to share with you guys the progress on Miss Betsy, where Chris and the boys have been working to take the front off, so it's going to be easier to pull that motor on out.